If you're looking for a better way to pull and store data from the web with AI, then I have the perfect tool for you. As a automation developer, my clients ask me to pull data all of the time for all sorts of different reasons. A lot of the times, most of the time, we have the data, but every now and then we don't. And for that reason, I created this platform called LystIQ, which allows you to easily, again, pull data from the web using AI and also easily store it into a table that's easy to access, read, and look at. And I'm starting to use this more and more often for all sorts of different things, pulling vacant properties for sale, finding Reddit posts that I want to comment on or look at, influencers that I need help to promote my business, and all sorts of different things. Podcasts I want to attend for my business as well. And it's as simple as creating a new table, and you come in here and you can just say, give me some records for what I need. So give me 4 events, please. And the AI will search the web and it will populate the data directly into your table. It'll save it to your account, just like that. Um, and one really neat feature I like that I use is this AI search constraint. So it makes sure that it will only find events after after today. And then if I change this to before, it will search and it will find events before today. So let's scroll down. Well, it looks like it actually pulled events exactly today. I'm filming this on the 16th. Oh, look, it got that on the 15th. But there's a lot more variables you can configure. You can do yesterday, before 1 week ago, and we have some others as well. And so it's a really neat tool. And just to kind of show you how the table configuration works, you just go to New Table. Let's say I want to do video editors in Dallas, Texas. The AI does take into account the description for your given table. I'll just keep it simple for now. We can do company name. Let's say we want contact name, email, phone, website. And I don't think we need this, but let's just do address. So it's as simple as that. And let's say, give me 20 video editors. And so we'll give it a minute to search. And just what I like about this is the fact that you can configure your columns, you can set constraints and whatnot. Like I could set a constraint that, hey, if there's not a specific contact, then don't include them, or I could specify like the sales contact or whatnot. And it just allows you to keep track of your data. You can build your list over time. You can delete, exclude different rows, and all sorts of stuff. Export to CSV, and it's just a really good tool to use AI to just build lists for you and your business. I use it for, yeah, the one I've been using a lot recently is this one for automation podcasts that I want to be on and whatnot. And so because I'm starting to use this more and more often, I just recently made it available to the public. You can go to LystIQ.ai, and it is very simple. You just sign up for a free account, and it'll start you off with a couple of free credits that you can use to kind of build some initial tables, test out the platform, and then for only $10, you get 10 credits, which will give you well over or somewhere under 1,000 searches, but definitely a couple of hundred searches, and should be enough for you to, make a lot of progress on. I'd say it's a good deal. And so definitely go to LystIQ. That's lystiq.ai, and that's list with AI, is what I tell people. And yeah, so that's really all I have today. As always, if you are looking for any automation help with your business, the odds are that my automation development company, Univium, can help you out. Just go to univium.com and let us know how we can help. I'll include a link in the description, and also be sure to subscribe and follow us on YouTube and LinkedIn just to stay up to date with all the latest automation and AI trends. So thank you very much. I'm Patrick with Univium, and y'all take care.